Thank you for calling Taino. This is John. How may I help you? Hey, what up, Javon? Oh, you on your way? All right, I'll see you soon. Giving. You know, when you run your own business, you got to give. Now, to who and how? That's what we're going to be talking about today. Giving. Yesterday, I had the first time ever happened in the shop was I had this fashion designer, Van Don, doing a photo shoot for a magazine. He brought his own photographer, and oh man, they did some nice photos and all that. We were hanging out. I did little videos. Check them out. Good day to you and how you be, everybody. Jan Agosto here and welcome to Taino. Happy New Year to everyone here, man. Oh man, hope you have a fantastic and blessed year, man. It's gonna be a good year for all of us screen printers, so Happy New Year. Okay, on my last video, I was talking about that 6-color print, how to set it up, how to register and line it all up. And I'm gonna show you how the job came out. The job came out great. And I remember on my last video, usually when you're printing all these multicolors, I said to leave the black for last. But sometimes you have to improvise. You know, once I put the gold and then I put the black, you couldn't really see the gold that good. So what I did was I put the black and then I put the gold. So these colors, the white, the orange, the red, the blue. And then from there, I did not go to the gold. I went to the black. And after I did the black, then I came and put in the gold. And look at the job. Came out beautiful. Beautiful. Everything well aligned. Everything registered. Looked good. But that one, leaving the gold for last, looked much better than putting the gold and the black. It works, but you see only a little bit of that gold. I wanted really that gold to pop around the logo, and the job came out real nice, man. Okay, so I want to talk about giving. When you're running a screen printing shop or any type of business, giving is very important because it's a way to give thanks to your clients. But it's not just giving just because you want to keep this company to keep ordering from you, so you're going to try to be giving some stuff. No. Usually what I do is they order shirts, let's say, 150 shirts or whatever. And in that box, I'll print that same logo on a tote bag. I use a regular tote bag, costs like about $2. And then print the logo and put it in there without letting them know. So when they open, you say that once I give them the box, I'll tell them, look, there's something there for you in the box. And say, oh, okay. They'll open it. They look, oh, thank you, John. And they might even order tote bags because everybody sees that person got a tote bag. Everybody got a shirt. So that's a good way of giving. Just to that type of giving is so they could be interested in ordering something else or keep ordering again from you, whatever it is. You want to have a connection with your client, so giving is a very good way of doing it. And the other one is your local clientele. People that are local, like leagues, nonprofit organizations, all that, breast cancer, anything that has to do where people are doing something to help others. Those are the good ones that you want to give. Like I have basketball leagues, and this league that I print shirts for, they've been doing pretty good. They already began getting sponsors and all that. I have seen their growth, and also I have seen their loyalty because they keep ordering from me. Even when Gatorade sponsored them and Puma sponsored them, they gave them money so they could buy. They came to me. They didn't go nowhere else. So that's loyalty. So you have to take that into consideration, that loyalty is number one for me. So one of the coaches has a son in a basketball team, and he did 1,000 points this year on the high school. He already got universities want to give him a scholarship. Awesome, man. And plus he has a 96 average, so it's pretty good. You're doing really good in school, and plus you're doing good in your basketball. So he come and said, look, I'm gonna send you a picture of him, and just, on the top just put, Mr. 1K. All right, do the halftone that you do, just black and white, just with him. So I came and said, look, how many shirts? He needed about good 20 something shirts. And I said, I'll do all the signing, I'll print it for you, and it's on me. That's a gift to you and your son for the accomplishment you guys have done. It's beautiful, man. So I came up and I wanted to do a 2-color. So I was looking on Google of all these, NFL basketball shirts, and I found one. It was awesome. It was with AJ Brown with the gray back, gray, and then some bluish. And I go, there it is. So what I did was I did the halftone, and I did Mr. 1K, and I did that little background, and I put his name on the top. Came out beautiful. So before I went to grayscale, I took out the number 5 of his jersey and the little red stripes on the jersey, because I wanted to throw that on that halftone and put that red in him, so it could look more the way you see it right there. That is the thing. That you're gonna put that with the second film of the red Mr. 1K and the little background of the red. That you're gonna put that separate on a film. So there goes your 2 films. So what I did was I started putting his name and Mr. 1K, not on bitmap, just put it all nice and black, all vectored. And then I put the film back on the printer, and then I came and print out him with the little shades of the halftones on the back. That's how I got the first film. And the second film, just printed all together with the number 5 with the Mr. 1K, put it all together, and there you go. That's how you separate those colors. And here's a little B-roll of how this shirts came out. Oh man, those shirts, like I said, they came out hot. So try it out, do a 2-color halftone. People gonna love it. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.